Assalamu alaikum. Today's video is a detailed video about the dumpling wrappers, how to knead the dough for making dumpling wrappers. Either you are supposed to make fresh dumplings out of fresh made wrappers or you wanna freeze them. Both the methods are shown in this video. Secondly, the filling, the moist and creamy filling we are gonna fill in our dumplings. And lastly, how would we make the pot sticking North American style dumplings or Chinese dumplings, how to fry and how to steam them, and finally make them ready to eat. For the sake, take 1.5 cup to 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, add a pinch of water and knead it with hand with lukewarm water. Keep it kneading. It's better to sift the flour before kneading to avoid any lumps. Keep on kneading until all the lumps are gone. Let it rest 15 minutes and knead it again for 4 to 5 minutes. It will stop sticking to your hand, and once you will touch it with your finger, the dough will bounce back. There won't be any formation of dents on the surface of the dough, kneaded final dough. Now here comes the stage how to roll the dumpling wrappers. Now you can either make tiny balls and roll an individual dumpling wrapper, or what I do is I divide the dough in 4, 5 or 6 equal parts, form an individual ball, take a rolling pin and roll it as thin as possible, and then I take a sharp edged cup, or you may take a cookie cutter and cut the circles out of your very thinly rolled dough. Go like this. Remove the remaining. Add a pinch or two of all-purpose flour. Sprinkle it so that when you place them on one and other, it won't stick to each other, and you can easily separate them for further working. Now here at this stage, you can dust some flour in each layer between the two dumpling wrappers. Put it in a plastic bag, airtight and refrigerated for later use. Look how beautiful, round and dry and thin they are. Let's come to the filling of the dumplings. Either take turkey or chicken, whatever is available or what is the taste preference of yours or your family. These are chicken thighs. Thighs are more moist. It won't let your filling become dry. Chest is slightly dry. It has no fat in it. To keep it more moist, add 1 to 1.5 tablespoon buttermilk, or you may add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese in it, 1.5 teaspoon red chili paste, and 1.5 teaspoon dark soy sauce. You may use light soy sauce. This red chili paste includes some green chili, some fresh garlic, and few coriander roots. 2 tablespoon fine chopped parsley or fine coriander chopped with few stems. Add a generous pinch of garlic salt, a teaspoon of smoked paprika to add that beautiful aromatic smoky flair to your dumpling filling. The filling is ready. Now take a dumpling wrapper and fill it almost 1 teaspoon of the filling in it. Wet your finger with plain water and shape like this, as you see. And this, repeat the process with the wrappers. Take another wrapper, one by one fill all the number of dumplings you require. Apply some water to the edges. Then start forming it from the very end and complete it slowly. You don't need to be an expert for making it. When I tried it for the very first time, I thought I can't make it, or I might fail in doing so, but it isn't a rocket science. Now all are ready. You can see how thin the wrappers are. The filling is peeping from inside the wrappers. Now take a heavy base frying pan, grease it, let it become warm on low heat. You can check the level of heat. It should not be too hot, otherwise it will burn the dumplings from the base. We don't need it to get cooked very quickly. Give it some time, let it get cooked very slowly on medium low heat. You will come to know from the corners. If you can't guess, you can check one. And after few minutes, when the base is becoming nice golden brown, put little water in it and cover with a lid and let the water steam inside the pan. After 2 minutes, check it. I'm not very expert in using chopsticks, but I'm trying it for the second time, I think. But it's nice. It was a good experience. I managed to do this. Now serve it with your soy sauce. I love a spicy chili honey dip with these. It also complements the taste of your potsticker dumplings. No doubt, soy sauce is a very complimenting and aromatic dip with it, but the spicy honey chili dip also goes good with it. I love the taste it, and I hope all my viewers would try it once and enjoy it. I enjoyed.